Reels Maker for Instagram Beat. So let's just tap get to install it. So this is basically a really cool AI Reels Maker. So you can make viral reels in seconds. So yeah, transform your Instagram Reels into captivating masterpieces with Beat, the intuitive and powerful Reel Maker app. With just a few taps, you can choose from a collection of unique templates, add your photos, and effortlessly sync with top trending music on social media. Take the guesswork out of creating Instagram Reels with our easy-to-use app for Reels templates. So great app to find a lot of templates, find nice music, and yeah, really cool idea. So then you can just open it up, and then here you just have it like this, and you can just continue. You can give access to your clips. I don't know, I can then just select some recent clips, whatever, from my videos. You can just search for them. There are like popular searches in here, so then you can just go and search something like that, and then there are clips which are already created, and then there are already projects which are created for you with your clips. So that's the idea, and then also you can invite friends. I don't know whether it's here is some link. Feel free to go to use that. I don't know like whether it's actually bringing something to me or to you, like some coins or something like that. But yeah, that's basically the idea, how you can then just go and create all of these interesting clips. So and then yeah, you can just tap plus and create it from here.